I hope if out of anything, like this is what helps the audience the most. It's not easy. It's not like you have to understand what your clients want. And so that's why I always say it's called content marketing. Everybody says that loosely, but they don't know what it means. That actually means answering the consumer's questions. So when you talk about websites, YouTube, any kind of videos, you got to answer the question right out of the gate. That's when it kind of started dawning on me. And I learned one day that gal did more of like pros and cons, and then she would do escrow process. And I'm like, that shit doesn't work. I found out through keyword research way, way, way back in the day when I searched Beaverton, Oregon, which is where I was living in Google, it was searched like 37,000 times a month. And I'm like, holy shit. Well, TubeBuddy had just started coming out. In fact, I used to use a tool called Morning Fame, which you don't even see. That's how old I am on this stuff. And I did a search on how many times Beaverton, Oregon was searched in YouTube. It was 395,000 times a month. And I'm like, oh my God, people are searching Beaverton, Oregon in YouTube 12 times more a month than they are in Google. They want to see it, right? I went and typed in Beaverton, Oregon into YouTube, and it was like the number one video was a minute and a half shaky cell phone video that some random person did of the Beaverton flea market or whatever. And I'm like, that's it, dude. So I'm like hitting up Jesse and I'm like, hey, we need to go out and vlog like these cities and maybe we can rank for like Beaverton and people are searching it and they'll call us. And he's like, all right, let's fucking roll. So we roll. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm filming. I'm like cell phone setting them up and we started kind of hitting the city. Guess what? The channel's growing. The videos are getting views, but we got no phone calls. And I'm like, damn it. What's going on? We were in a meeting one day with our lender who did some videos with us, dude, and he was super fun. And his boss shows up and he goes, your guys' YouTube channel is insane. I have been in this industry for 30 years. I've never seen anything like it. The vlogs were killing it. They were fun. They were engaging. They were getting crazy views. He goes, do you ever tell anybody to call you in your videos? I'm like, no, dude, that's too salesy. They'll leave. He goes, no, people are idiots. You have to tell them exactly what to do. And I'm like, all right. So I came up with this kind of like, hey, what's up? It's Jackson Wilkey with the Real Agent Now group right here in Portland, Oregon. If this is your first time to this channel, you know, we do videos every week about what it's like to work, eat, sleep, live, play. So make sure you subscribe. And we get phone calls, texts, emails every day from people moving and relocating here. We absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about moving anywhere in Portland or Vancouver, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, days, nights, weekends. That took a couple videos to get that out, but that became the message. You will hear 1,000 realtors across the country use that exact call to action, and that's the one that I came up with. And the next video, we had like 15 phone calls. People were like, oh my God, I didn't even know you guys were realtors. I didn't even know, you know, and so like, boom, it kind of took off. So then I'm looking at it and I'm like, all right, I get this YouTube thing. Like I'm a YouTuber now.